So today I'm going to be showing you the last hotel, which is located in St. Louis, Missouri. Now, if you're flying in, it's about a 15-minute drive from the international airport to the hotel. However, if you are like me and you're really not trying to spend a fortune on transportation costs, the public transit is the way to go. Now, let me tell you, Google says it's about 48 minutes, and that is really because of the estimated walking time. The train itself will take about half an hour to take you from the airport all the way down to the stop that is closest to the last hotel. And for a day pass, it only costs $5. If you are in a major rush, this probably isn't the best option for you, but if you have a little bit of time to spare, this is an incredible option that will save you a ton of money. When at the hotel, you are about an 8-minute drive from the Mississippi River, which is right next to the Gateway Arch National Park. For those of you who are able to and enjoy a nice walk, it is about 25 minutes from the last hotel to the Gateway Arch. And as you can see from the map, it's a straight shot from the hotel right to the arch. I broke up my walk by heading to the Rooster, which is on the way from the hotel to the arch. They specialize in breakfast foods, which is definitely up my alley. Breakfast is my all-time favorite meal of the day. I would highly recommend any of the savory crepe options on their menu. Located in the Garment District, the last hotel is a boutique-style hotel. There are 11 floors and 142 guest rooms. Now, here's the main entrance to get into the hotel. I will say, in the surrounding area, you have a ton of great restaurants to choose from in walking distance. And if you need a grocery store, it's like a 5-minute walk. So very conveniently located. So first, I'm going to take you on a room tour. You have your card key to enter the room. I ended up booking a king room, which is the most economic option. The room itself measures out to about 285 square feet. The room decor is very clean but visually appealing. I was also told that the artwork used in the room are actually from local artists. One of my favorite things about the room itself is the amount of natural light that comes in. On the right side of the mirror, there are 2 clothing hooks. Behind the bed, you do have 2 USB plugins to be able to charge any of your technology. Each room is equipped with a Bluetooth radio. You also get a set of earplugs just in case you need them. To the right of the bed, you do have a leather chair, and then your armoire. There's a light switch if you need additional lighting. On the right side, if we open this guy up, you have your ironing board and your iron. And then on the left side, we have an area to hang your clothes, and then, of course, a bathrobe. Then I'm going to take you guys back towards the window. I'm going to show you what the view from the room looks like. And you just get to see a little bit of downtown St. Louis. Then on the opposite side of the bed, you have a desk, a little seating area, your TV. And on the left side of that, they give you actual books you can borrow and read. Below that is your coffee maker, and then below that, they give you a mini fridge. Has a good amount of space for leftovers or maybe some bottled water you want chilled for the next day. Speaking of bottled water, they do start you off with 2 bottles, and you can find those right on the desk. They also give you a little bottle of hand sanitizer. Alright, so we're going to make our way to the bathroom. It does have a roll open door. When you first enter the bathroom, you do have your shower on the left-hand side. It's a pretty decent size as far as showers go. Pretty simple. You got your white tile and then a Delta shower head. And as you exit the shower, you do have the vanity on the left-hand side. They give you a huge mirror, and then on the bottom, you have your towels. Here's a close-up of the bath amenities that come with your room. Here we have a detailed shot of the sink area. And then over on the other side, we have the toilet. Next stop, I'm going to take you guys to the lobby. So we take the elevator down. On the right is another side entrance. However, if we keep going straight down these steps, you'll enter the massive lobby. On our right-hand side, you'll see the main entrance. And then on our left-hand side, that whole desk is the concierge. That's where you would check in or check out. The lobby is absolutely huge. Definitely bigger than what I expected when I first came in. Here's a detailed shot of your front entrance. It's just a really great lounge area. And here's a shot of the bar. So when you enter through that front entrance, it's one of the first things you see. So we need our key cards to go up. And our next stop is the pool. Sometimes in life and in new places, you just have to look up. So when you're on the 11th floor, look up because otherwise you'd miss this pretty awesome looking light fixture. So the pool hours are from 10 a.m. to sunset. They say the bar hours are from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. However, during my short stay, I have yet to see this bar open. So I'm not going to lie to you, when I was looking at hotels in this area, it was this pool that sold me on this property. It's absolutely such an amazing space. You have great aerial shots of St. Louis. Of course, the day beds are looking a little sad, only because it's off season. But at the far end of the pool, you do have these really unique hanging chairs. I highly recommend. They look intimidating, but they're actually super easy to climb into, and once you're in it, very comfortable. I don't know if this pool is open year round, but it is heated, so theoretically, I don't know how cold it gets in this city. Maybe it does stay open. Now, as I pan over, you'll see right in front of me that building, that is the bar area. Those glass doors open to create that indoor-outdoor space. Towards the hanging chairs, there is a door that leads to the locker room area. There's also an entrance to the bar. So we'll take a quick look inside, give you a general idea of what it looks like. Then further down this hallway, you have the men's room and the women's locker room. And that concludes my property tour of the last hotel here in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you in my next video.